A warm welcome to ACHEMA 2024. We want to focus on the new platform generation that we are presenting here in Frankfurt. And this is Tobias Hasenfuß-Rüdele. Hi, Tobias.
Hello, welcome.
What do we see here?
Here we see our new innovative electronic position indicator, the GEMÜ 12A0.
Do you have some more details? What is special about that product?
Yeah, of course. So the first one you can see here is the mounting. The electronic is directly mounted on the drive, so we don't need any mounting kits, adapters and springs anymore. And yeah, we use here Hall sensor technology. That means that is contactless and wear-free. And yeah, we have a lot of modern communication interfaces integrated, like the AC5 bus system, the IO-Link, and we have a Bluetooth connection for our GEMÜ app integrated. And yeah, the customer don't need to do an initialization anymore because every time the position indicator goes open and goes closed, detects these positions. And yeah, we have also integrated a lot of sensoric.
This is my keyword, sensoric. Can you give us more information about the sensors, Tobias?
Yeah, as I said before, we have a lot of sensors here integrated. For example, we have a temperature sensor integrated. We have a sensor for the humidity, for the pressure, for the power supply, so the current and the voltage is detected. And we have also a sensor for the installation position. This is really important that a customer can see the exact installation position of the sensor and of the complete valve. And yeah, one of the most important sensors is the sensor who detects the vibrations, shocks for like pressure hammers or defect pumps, something like that. Yeah, and all of these sensors are important for the customer because of the condition monitoring, predictive maintenance. Yeah, we want to avoid that we have issues in the plant and save time and yeah.
So many advantages for the customers. We can say that the system is communicating with us.
Yeah, that's true, and it's really important for the future that a customer has as much as possible of the information of the plant.
Absolutely. Tobias, thank you so much for all the information. And if you want to get more, join us here in Frankfurt. We will be happy to welcome you here at ACHEMA 2024. Bye-bye.